Hi friends, this is Sunil Bhatnagar again present before you with a video. Friends, जैसा हमने बात करी थी कि what is the effect of poor performance on a factory or a mill, and as we have seen that higher the ooster and thin places or higher thick places. So ooster and thin places they have a large impact on the cost and profit of a mill while the thick places and naps they have medium to large impact on the things. Now the question arises that how to improve the performance. Now the quality of a yarn is dependent on quality of mixing on one hand and the condition of machine on the other. Therefore, it is necessary to separately assess the scope of improving the two areas. To check this, what we do, we compare the fiber characteristics and yarn quality with the norms and get the mixing spun to the required count on well maintained machinery and compare the two yarns. And normally it is the best technique. The quality assurance department, before preparing the yarn, before running the yarn into production, they prepare the material on the best machine and then compare with it. So while using these exercises, they not only helps in improving the performance, but at the same time identify the contribution of the mixing and the machine on the yarn quality. For man-made fiber, these type of exercises they are very important. Now, what to do? Now, in this case, we will discuss about the imperfection, that is the unevenness percent. So, we have seen in this case that the processing parameters and mechanical condition of the ring frame and the comber they contribute mainly or significantly on the unevenness percentage. While regarding the process parameters, you have to check on these kind of things. Now, while improving the unevenness, thin, thick naps, the first thing you have to check at the ring frame is the top roll pressure and particularly at front roller pressure. And you have to see that it must be greater than 11 kg. Another important factor is the eccentricity. Now, as you are using the long spindle, long ring frame, long width ring frame, so in that case, the top roll eccentricity is one of the main thing, and you have to check it. And the third condition is the condition of the top rollers and apron. You have to check the aprons and the top rollers. They must be without cuts and grooves. Then another is the uniform top arm setting. The good condition of flutes, bottom roll flutes. Again, it should be clean and sharp. Then another is the proper diameter of the top roller. If you are using different top roller diameter from one spindle to another, then definitely you are going to have this type of problem, unevenness. Then uniform top arm setting between the arms and the brake draft. The one thing is there that if you are using a ring frame, then the brake draft is very important. So the back roller pressure is not okay of one arm to another, then definitely it will give you so the diameter of the back roller also plays an important role. Then another is the proper total draft should be there and the spacer size must be optimum. So by having all these things, at your ring frame, you can control the imperfections in the machine. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.